Close your heavy eyes to quiet the chaotic storm raging deep within your mind. Stillness acts as a sharp blade cutting through the noise of daily modern life. Unlocking your hidden potential requires mastering the sacred art of profound mental silence now. Your subconscious mind functions like fertile soil waiting for powerful seeds of absolute success. Doubt whispers loud lies until deliberate focus silences every single lingering inner fear. Breath becomes the anchor keeping you steady when internal emotional currents rage violently around. Reprogramming your inner matrix demands shedding old limiting beliefs through sheer mental discipline daily. Every deep inhalation draws raw energy straight from the vast universe into your core. Mental clarity acts as a burning torch banishing shadows of uncertainty from your path. Visualize your ultimate triumph vividly until your subconscious accepts greatness as your reality.